Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi A4 door panel, easy method. Start by parking the car on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Remove any door pocket items and lower the window for easier access. Use a plastic trim tool to prevent scratching and lay out screws and clips in order for reassembly. Take your time and keep parts organized for a smooth reinstall. Begin by locating all visible and hidden screws in the armrest, door pull, and lower trim area. These secure the panel. Use the correct Torx driver size to avoid rounding heads and loosen each screw fully. Place screws in a labeled tray so you can match them easily on reassembly. Don't forget any small fasteners behind trim caps or inside storage pockets, as missing ones can damage the panel later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for lifetime durability while you work under the door panel. They stay comfy during long jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Start prying at the lower edge with a plastic tool and work your way around, releasing each clip gently to avoid breaking them. Once most clips are free, lift the panel upward to clear the window ledge and access the interior. Reach behind to disconnect electrical connectors, the courtesy light, and unhook the door handle cable using a small flat screwdriver if needed. Keep connectors aligned and note their positions for correct reconnection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.